Welcome to another cooking session with me, Akhila. Today we are going to make watermelon rind pickle. It's a very easy and delicious recipe. This is the watermelon I made 5 days back. I kept it in the fridge and it tastes so delicious. It has that sweet, tangy, spicy, fruity flavor. If you're a person like me who loves pickle, you're gonna love it. And it's very easy to make. You can make it in a jiffy. This pickle goes very well with your salads, burgers, pizza, or even you can have it just like that. So without any delay, let's start cooking. For making the pickle, first we need to make the brine. For that, I'm adding 1 cup of water, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar also, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Stir everything, let the sugar dissolve. Now we are boiling this brine. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of coriander seed and 2 tablespoons of peppercorns to this brine. So let's give it a good crush using the mortar and pestle and then add it to the brine. You can also add chili flakes for the extra spiciness. Let this solution boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is boiled perfectly, you can just switch off the stove and let it cool. Our brine is ready. Let it cool off for some time. So by that time, let's prepare the watermelon rind. Here I'm peeling the green skin from the watermelon rind, also cutting that red color flesh from it because it will be a little bit sweet and watery. We don't need that for the pickle. Here I'm cutting the watermelon rind into small rectangular pieces, but it's your choice. You can cut it into any shapes you like. I like these pieces a little bit big because it will be easy to have it along with salads. And I didn't add any other spices other than pepper and coriander seed. You can also add extra chili flakes if you want a spicy pickle. Our watermelon rind pieces are ready. I filled this watermelon rinds in a glass bottle. This is actually a coffee powder bottle which I don't want to throw out. Let's pour all this brine to this bottle. I filled the brine to the top of the bottle. Now let's close the bottle, give it a good shake, and then keep it in the fridge for 4 or 5 days. While keeping it in the fridge, I am keeping the bottle upside down so that the rinds on the top of the bottle will have some flavor. Otherwise, all these peppercorns and coriander seeds will be settling down and then there will be nothing on the top. If you are going to do the same, please make sure that the lid is tight. Otherwise, it's going to be a mess in your fridge. I've kept the pickle in fridge for 5 days and taken it out. Now you can see the difference in watermelon rind pieces. It's absolutely delicious. You should really give it a try. I hope all of you liked today's video. So please do try it and let me know the feedback. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another exciting recipe soon. Till then, bye.